All right, so this is gonna be the video for you. Quick, easy, low maintenance with your fingers. We're doing everything with our fingers, ladies. Hello, hello, YouTube. Welcome, everyone. If you're new here, my name is RubyPatchouli. On this channel, we talk about curls, wellness, personal development, and today is a curly hair video. Bring your curls back to life. The theme these past few weeks has been moisturizing, bringing moisture back into your curls, and we're going to continue doing that. It's going to be a really quick tutorial, quick, easy, low maintenance with your fingers. We're doing everything with our fingers, ladies. I was going to style with a brush. I bought a new brush, but this is gonna be for next video. I don't want to style with a brush today. The last few times I've styled my new haircut, I've had a lot more definition, but this time I want to focus on volume and of course still moisturizing the hair. So all my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. I'm very, very excited. So let's get to this. Let me wet this. It is currently 10:20. Let's see if we can finish our hair by 1 o'clock. And by finishing our hair, I mean diffuse, dry, everything ready to go out the door. Ready. Let's see, 20 minutes. And timer starts now. Okay, so now let's add our leave-in conditioner. The new leave-in conditioner I'm using is the Curls Poppin Pineapple So Smooth Vitamin C leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna put this much. I'm trying to do this quick. All right. Something new I've been using on my ends because my ends have just been feeling kind of dry. I'm using the Eva New York City Main Magic 10-in-1 Split End Mender. I'm only gonna use a little bit of this on my ends, this much. Now we're gonna go in with whatever detangler you like to use, brush, comb. I'm gonna go in with my new brush, my new detangling brush. Next video, I will have a tutorial specifically on this brush, but for now, we are just going to comb through all the two products that we put into our hair to make sure that every single strand is coated evenly. So now we are going to apply our cream. The cream I'm gonna use is my go-to Dippity-Do Girls with Curls Curl Defining Cream. I'm only going to use a little bit of this because we're also gonna go in with some mousse. This is how much I'm using. I think I need a little bit more, but for volume, you don't want to put too much product. And because I have the leave-in and the split end mender, I don't want my hair to be weighed down, so I think this is good. So we are just going in with our fingers, raking the product through. I'm gonna section the front off and make sure I'm giving this section the love that it deserves. Look at yourself in the mirror to make sure that there isn't any frizz at this stage in the game. Now let's go in with our mousse. This is gonna be our setting step. I'm going in with the Dippity-Do Curl Boosting Mousse. This is how much I'm using for now. We're gonna flip our hair forward and we're gonna scrunch. A little bit more, this much. We're gonna make sure that the back of our hair has some. And flip back, make sure the front of our hair has some mousse. And now let's keep scrunching. You hear that sound? That's a good sound. Whenever you hear that sound, it means you have enough product in your hair. So now we're gonna diffuse. It's currently 12:30. Actually, it was 12:20 and I said let's be ready by 1. I feel like we're gonna be ready before 1. I'm sorry. I thought it was 20 minutes. I thought it was 12:40. But since we started at 12:20, I feel like by 12:45 we should be done with diffusing. We are going to diffuse on low heat and low air. And we are going to use the hover diffuse technique. seal everything we just did with our oil, but if you want, you can also declump right now. Now for the oil, I'm only gonna focus on my ends because that is what's really dry. Holy cow. All right, these are the results. I'm gonna cut the ends some more. I mean the bangs. I have to cut the bangs because they're just really long. I just cut my hair September 29th. Actually, it's gonna be a month in 3 days, and this is where my hair is now. All right, I'm gonna cut them so I can see, and then I'll be right back. This is how much I cut. So it took 10 minutes to diffuse. It took 7 minutes to style the hair with doing the last step, which is sealing. Let's add like 5 more minutes to like make it look cute, poof it up. So let's see, that's 22 minutes. It took 22 minutes to style my hair. What do you guys think? Try this at home. I will say that whenever you have freshly cut hair, it's always easier to style your hair. Try this out. Let me know how it goes. If you like this video, please subscribe, like. I'm 20 subscribers away from hitting 1,000. Oh my, I hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, my name is RubyPatchouli, and I'll be back with another video pretty soon. Ooh, baby, say hello to the camera. This is Miss Mila here. Oh, baby. Ooh, I love you. All right, so